Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Now believe it or not, it's a beautiful Sunday morning and it's around 5:45. Now I woke up about a half an hour ago, and it's something that I always do because I'm used to getting up in the morning when I work. So even when I don't work, I always get up this early. I just never turn on the camera this early to record a video. But I was like, having nothing to do and just wanted to do this quick unboxing. Now the reason I want to do this unboxing is because I actually got a couple of watches from a fellow forum member of the Portal Satoa, and he collects a lot of vintage Seikos, and he has a cool Instagram account where you can see all those Seikos, so I will put it somewhere here on the screen, so make sure to follow him. Now what impresses about him is that he always tries to get the original box, the papers, everything, whatever he can get all for that watch. And all the watches that he sent me actually have boxes, but this one is the most impressive because it's the whole package. The box, the papers, everything is inside. And this is a 1960s Seiko Self Dater. He says it's between 1962 and 63. If I follow the current Seiko serial number dating, then it means that like it's a 1961, but I don't know, maybe then it was something different, so we'll call it 1962. So basically almost a 60-year-old watch being opened in its original box with the original papers. So that is like unboxing a time capsule. So I just thought it might be an interesting video. Now I will be doing a review of this watch and you will see a full review, so I won't talk much about the watch. I just want to show you the packaging and how it looked to buy something that was a bit of a higher end Seiko back in the 60s. So let's take a look at the box. It's a cardboard box with this graphic of, I don't know if that's in Italy or Turkey or whatever. Now let's look at this is a logo that Seiko used in the 60s for their Seikomatic and Sportsmatic models. They were automatics, and some of the first automatics that Seiko made, they were their own design. Now when we open the box, let's move the lid here. We have another metal box where the watch is located. We'll leave that for now on the side. And look at this. This is so cool. It has the instruction manual. It's all in Japanese. Again, a graphic. I believe this is in Spain or Barcelona, the cathedral, maybe even it's Notre Dame, I don't know. So cool. And the picture of the watch and the instructions in Japanese, which I cannot read. If any of you can read it, that's gonna be cool. Sorry. Let's move that here. Next, we have this. This might be the receipt or something. Yes, it could be the receipt for the watch. We have this little card. Since this was Japan in the 60s, who knows what stores used to give to people and what you got when you bought the watch. This might be some kind of a thank you note or warranty. If one of you speaks Japanese, please do let us know in the comment section what these little cards do. And that's it. That's the whole package when it comes to the rest of it. And now let's see how the watch is packed. It's in this metal box. It's a metal box with this pink part as the lid and this silver part as the bottom. And when you open it, the watch, this is gold in color and it's shiny, and this is like gold velvet. It's very, let's try to get more light, like so. And the watch is held by this little prong. So look at that. Isn't that cool? And the same Seikomatic logo, Self Dater 24 jewels, and inside the watch. So let's take a look at the watch very quickly. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a full review. This is a beautiful 1960s Seiko, and I really like it. The strap is also original Seiko strap. I don't know if it's the original from this watch. Could be, considering the whole package, but it could be a replacement, but it is Seiko's original. So let's put it back. Now this is really rare to find, something that's, like I said, almost 60 years old, with all the box and the papers and everything completed. Naturally, he's probably never gonna sell it because he keeps collecting these and everything, but look at that. Well, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed. I just thought that an average watch person would enjoy something like this, so I wanted to do a video. So stay tuned for the review, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.